pasensya naman at tayo naputol. Fourth quarter tayo. Let's go! Daraway! Basket na naman para kay Daraway. (32 to 46 ang ating talan. Uy, that's a traveling. Nice hesitation, Flores, binigay. Uy, no good. Pass to James. Panesares to Narzoles, binigay sa loob. Number 14, nag-aagawan. Makukuha ni Daraway. Oopsie. Official timeout muna tayo. Okay, back to the ball game. Official muna timeout. Time remaining 7 minutes and 57 seconds. 46 to 32. Lamang pa rin po ang pinaglabanan. Lim. Pass number 80. Uy, pasa pala yun. No good. Rebound by James. Panesares nagmamadali. Dire-diretso. Wala. Rebound by Daraway. Ay na pinaglabanan. 3 against 2. Daraway binigay kay Flores. Step back 2. No good. Rebound by Daraway. Daraway top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Narzoles. Narzoles 4 against 2. Narzoles up and under. And there's a foul. Shooting on the line, the jersey number 5, Narzoles. No good. Apat na ang Daraway? Apat na daw yung Daraway. Mamaya na pumula kayo, boss. Pag pumasok. Pumasok namin Daraway. Daraway, pasok mo na. Wala pa muna, mamaya na po. Op! Okay. Go. Ortiz coming in for Daraway. Ayan na. Ortiz. Uy! Wala. Rebound. Uy! Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound para sa Pinag. Step back 3. Short. Mari-rebound ni Narzoles. Pass to James. Panesares. Floater. Yes, sir. Ayan na. Baba sa 12 ang Kalamangan. Oh, sorry. That's a... Oh, steal by James. Ayan na si James. Panesares up and under. Baba sa 10 ang Kalamangan. Ayan na si Flores. Flores para extra pass to Ortiz. Basket yan. 48 to 36. Nakakasagot ang pinaglabanan dito. Panesares setting on the screen. Step for 3. No good. Rebound. Makuha ni Ortiz. Ortiz nagmamadali. Ortiz pinasa kay 00. 00 to number 15 from elbow tray. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Gab. Pass to Narzoles. Narzoles na bitawan. And last touch done. Sab, punta dito. Baba muna daw. Baba muna pre. Baba lang. Upo lang. Galing ba? Baba. Ortiz, crossover, pass to 00, 4-3, wala, rebound by Gab. Narzoles to James, Panesares, running shot and one para kay James. Go, galing ba? Basket count and one para kay James Panesares, shooting on the line for 3-point play. Sab, ay pumana. Pag pumasok po Okay, sab. Basket para James Panesares. Down by a single digit, 9-point lead para sa pinaglabanan. Time remaining 4 minutes and 24 seconds. Ayun na, steal by James Panesares, nagmamadali, what an extra pass, Narzoles, basket is good. 48-41. Ayun na, number 8 binigay, Galimba, fake, running shot, no good. Out of bound. Time out. Pinaglabanan Elementary School. Tingnan natin ang handle ng pinaglabanan dito. Official score 48-41. 7-point lead para sa pinaglabanan. Time remaining po natin 3 minutes and 58 seconds. Shoutout po kay Adonis Lacson and kay Gideon Bautista, Alex Santos as well. Shoutout and kay Jermaine Torres, Rafael Mercado. Ayan, happy viewing sa inyong lahat from mga Kasanoneño. Back to the ball game tayo. Bola rito ng Santa Lucia Elementary School. Panesares, may tanga na bola. Pass to Narzoles. Narzoles, sidestep. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Galimba. Oh, steal. Uy, save. Naka-recover. Ayan na, dire-diretso. What an extra pass. Santos, step back. 2. Wala. Rebound by 00. Wala pa rin. Rebound ng Santa Lucia Elementary School. Pass to James. James with the steal by number 8. Tinitigan pa. Das basket yan para kay Ortiz. Time remaining 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Panesares. Stop of the key for 3. No call. Out of bounds. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Time out. Time out. Santa Lucia Elementary School. Official score 41-50. In favor pa rin sa pinaglabanan. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng Santa Lucia. Pass to Gab. Gab, pull 3. Short. Rebound. Narzoles with the putback. Ay na, 7 na lamang ang inahabol ng Santa Lucia. Ay na, Ortiz. Wala. Rebound by Narzoles. Pass to James. Panisares. Nagagawan. Panisares. Pinoy step. And that's a traveling violation. Ang tinawag doon. Ay na. Munti ka na magawan. Ortiz. May hatangan na bola. Binasa sa corner. Sports 2. Wala. Rebound by 00. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Nakagawan ni 00. Oy. That's a traveling. Last 2 minutes. One minute and 59 seconds remaining para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Panisares ay na ang double team. Sharing on the screen. Pass to Narzoles. Top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound. Narzoles. And there's a foul. Two shots para kay Narzoles. Crucial free throw. First shot is good. Second shot para kay Narzoles. Wala. Rebound by 00. Ayan na. Nag-aagawan. Pulang-pulang be. Ayan na. Sinigay sa corner. Jump shot. Too strong. Rebound. Makuha na ng Ortiz. Ortiz from elbow 3. Wala. Rebound by James. Panisares. Nagmamadali. Panisares. Nabitawan. Out of bounds. Daraway coming in para sa pinaglabanan. Time remaining 1 minute and 26 seconds. Bola rito. Narzoles, wala. Offensive rebound. Narzoles, short. Narzoles again, and there's a foul. Two shots para kay Narzoles. Second shot para kay Narzoles. Basket, 2 for 2. 46 to 50. Ayun na si Daraway. Outlet pass. Ortiz, nagmamadali. Ortiz, tumira. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Narzoles. Outlet pass to James. James all the way. And there's a foul. Ayan na, crucial free throw. Masusubukan si James Panisares sa free throw area. First shot is good para James. Shoutout kay parin Chiniki Evaristo, or let's say Pinto. Sergeant Pinto is watching. Ayan na, no good. Rebound ng Pinag. 47 to 50. Ortiz. Last minute na lang tayo. Pass to Daraway. Ang anak superstar. Daraway. Oh! Ayan na naman si Daraway. Narzoles. Oh, nabitawan. Ortiz. Nagmamadali. Ortiz. Pass to Daraway. Wala. Rebound by James. Panisares with the ball. Nag-aagawan. And that's a jump ball. Time remaining. Last 29 seconds. Bola rito ng Santa Lucia Elementary School. 52-47. Narzoles with the inbound. Pass to Narzoles. Narzoles nagmamadali. All the way and there's a foul. Crucial free throw para sa Santa Lucia Elementary School. Narzoles shooting on the line for free throw. Time remaining, last 23 seconds. 23 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating fourth and last quarter. Second shot para kay Narzoles. Wala! Rebound by Narzoles! Oy! Steal! And that's a foul para kay Gam Felipe. Time out. Pinaglabanan Elementary School. Time remaining, last 19 seconds. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng pinaglabanan. Coach. Okay, last 19 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating oras. Bola dito ng Pinag. Ayun na. Pastor Ortiz, inuubos na lamang ang oras. Daraway, tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound. Out of bounds. Same ball. Hindi ko pa alam. Mama, check ko muna. Hindi ko pa kabisado, sorry. Ay na ito. Ito, Salapan.
Ang Salapan pa?
Opo. Wala. At dito na po. Nagtatapos ang ating laban. And a nice game para sa Santa Lucia Elementary School. And congratulations para sa ating pinaglabanan ng Elementary School. Alright, our final score of 52-47. Panalo po ang Pinag. And a nice game para sa Santa Lucia. Congrats, our best player of the game. Tingin ko, wala nang iba kundi si jersey number 12. That is Daraway. Wala na? Okay, okay. Alright, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Magkita-kita po tayo. Shoutout, Coach! Coach! Shoutout! You know? Napaka-supportive na yan, parents from Pinaglabanan Integrated School. Or Elementary School, rather. Alright, wala pala tayo pala player of the game. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone. See you on the next game.